The Heritage House is a wonderful option for seniors looking for a more intimate caregiving environment with all the flavors of home. We truly are a family at Heritage House. We look out for each other, care for each other, and spend time together, giving our residents, and just as importantly, their families, the peace of mind they deserve. We are home to 24 residents. Our living options range from private to companion suites and offer 3 personalized care levels. But it's the home itself that our residents love. The large family room is the hub of our home. Whether it's sitting down for a home-cooked meal, gathering for exercise, or games, you'll often find our residents and family members gathered there. You'll also find our residents and guests enjoying our beautiful surroundings. Heritage House sits on 1.5 acres of land. Nothing beats spending some quiet time in our garden and gazebo, or even enjoying the sounds of kids at play at the elementary school that sits across the street from our front porch. We invite you to call and schedule an appointment to meet our residents and care team. You'll see firsthand why they consider the Heritage House their home. Thank you.